Okay, let's go to page 111 and start with number 1. Okay, number 1, you want to, for each exercise, graph the order pair in the same coordinate plane. So you want to graph all that in one graph. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, okay, 0, 3, 3, negative 2, and negative 3, 2, and negative 4, 0. Okay, so that's going to graph that. Okay, so that's y, this is x. Okay, I would recommend you get a ruler that has the centimeters on it, and you can make every unit 1 centimeter. Or depends on your paper, you can make a half centimeters if you want to kind of fit more on the paper. Okay, so first point is 1, 2. So go 1, 2. So that's 1, 2. Then you got 0, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this point is 0, 3. Right? This way 3, negative 2. So go 1, 2, 3, negative 2, 1, 2. Right over here. So that's your 3, negative 2. Okay? And next one is negative 3, positive 2. So go negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, positive 2. Right over here. So you can remember first number is your x, second number is your y. So next one is negative 4, 0, right over here. Okay, and that's it for those points. Okay, let's go to number 3. Okay, you're doing the same thing with a different points. So you have 6, 4. 6, negative 4. You got to watch for the signs. So it's negative 4, 3, negative 2, 0, 0, and negative 3, 2, 3 over 2, negative 1. Okay, so let's go and graph that. Okay. Okay, so that's the y, that's the x. Okay, so let's graph. So the first one is 6, negative 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 4. It's going to be right over here. Okay, so go 6, negative 4. Next one is 3, positive 3, and negative 2. So here's your 3, negative 2. Next one is 0, 0. So it's right over here, 0, 0. You got negative 3, positive 2. So you're negative 3, positive 2. And then this one is a little bit harder. So this is 1.5. So 1.5 and negative 1. Right over here. So it's your 3 over 2, negative 1. Okay? And so that's all the points. Okay, number 5. You want to graph x minus y equal to 4. So again, let's go and get our points. So if I set x equal to 0, so this is gone. And so y would divide by negative 1, so I get negative 4. Right? So again, you can check. Okay, so negative times negative 4 give you positive 4. Right? Then next, okay, you go ahead and set y equal to 0, and then x will equal to 4. Okay? And then you go and graph. So go and get those 2 points. Okay, so 0, negative 4. So that's this point right over here. Right? 0, negative 4. Next point is 4, 0. So it's right over here. And once you get the 2 intercept points, these are called intercepts. And just go and connect the dots, and that's it. Okay? So again, it's very simple. Okay. Now let's go to number 7. You got 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now this one has only one variable. So when you have one equation, one variable, you can go and solve. So this one you go in plus 3. So you got 2y equal to 3. And you divide by 2, divide by 2. So y equal to 3 over 2. Okay, so when you graph these, remember y equal to a number is going to be a horizontal line. Okay, so that's your, this is your x and the y axes. And so here are your hash marks. So this is 1.5, so it's going to be right over here. Okay, and so your graph would be just a horizontal line. Okay, that's it for number 7. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 9. You have x plus 2y equal to 4. Okay, so again, let's go and get an intercept point. Set x equal to 0, then y will equal to 2. Okay, then after that, go and set y equal to 0. Then x will equal to 4. Okay, so now you can go ahead and sketch. So again, that's your x-axis, y-axis. Okay, so first point is 0, positive 2, right over here, right? So that's your 0, 2. Okay, next one is 4, comma 0. So 4, comma 0 is right over here. Okay, and then after that, you connect the 2 dots. Okay, put the arrow on the end. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to number 11. Okay, you got 3x minus 2y plus 18 equal to 0. Now, with a number on this side, so this is called a general form. With a general form, it's easy to make a mistake. So I'm going to move the number to the other side to make it into a standard form. So I got 3x minus 2y equal to negative 18. Okay, so I'm going to make x equal to 0. So this is gone, right? So divide by negative 2, I get 9. And you can check, right? Negative 2 times 9 give me negative 18. Okay? Instead of going sideways, I'm going to go down. Okay? I'm going to make y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, this part is gone. Right? So to solve for x, I divide by 3. So I get negative 6. And I can check again. You can check very quickly. 3 times negative 6 give you negative 18. Okay? Okay. So now let's go and sketch the graph. And notice the numbers are kind of big, so I'm going to make the division smaller. And that's the nice thing about using the centimeter is that you can make it adjustment very quick. Okay. Okay, so the first point is 0, 9. It's right over here. Okay. And the second point is negative 6, 0. It's going to be right over here. Okay. And then once you get those 2 points, you connect the dots and draw the arrow at the end. Okay. And that's it. So again, once you know how to do the graph, it's very simple. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you got x minus 3y equal to 0. Okay, so again, let's find the intercept points. If you do x equal to 0, then y will equal to 0 because you divide both sides by negative 3, so you're going to get 0. Now you have a problem because if you make y equal to 0, then you're going to get x equal to 0. You're going to only get 1 point. Okay. So in this case, what you want to do is you have to find another point. Okay? And to find another point, you just choose any value, choose an easy number. Normally, you want to use a higher coefficient and you're going to choose the y equal to 1. Okay? And again, you can choose any number to solve for it, right? So you got x minus 3 times 1 by that y equal to 1. And then, so you got x minus 3 equal to 0. So plus 3 on both sides. So you got x equal to 3. Okay? Again, you can choose any numbers, but the reason we choose 0 because that's the easiest point. Okay? But because of the equation, you only get both, if you that equal to 0, both end up with 0. So you only get 1 point. So you have to have a second point to draw the line. So you can just choose an easy number, okay? And so x will equal to 3. So now you got these 2 points. So you can go and graph. Okay, so that's your x-axis. Remember to write your x and y for the axes. Okay, and okay, so first point is at 0, 0. It's right over here. That's your origin 0, 0. The second point is 3, 1. So you got 3, 1 right over here. Right, and just connect the 2 dots. And that's it for number 13. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you got 2x plus 5y equal to 15. So again, go ahead and just get your 2 points. So when x equal to 0, this is gone. So divide by 5, so y equal to 3. Again, you can check, right? 5 times 3 give you 15. Okay, and then you go and make y equal to 0. Again, so divide by 2, you're going to get 15 over 2. Right? 2 times 15 over 2 will give you 15. Okay, and this is about 7.5. Okay, so let's go ahead and sketch, let's go and make a graph. Okay. I'm going to run out of space because this is 7.5. Okay, so I need to go ahead and readjust. Okay, I'm going to make it all the way over here. There we go. Okay, so first point is 0, 3. So it's going to be right over here. Okay, so that's your 0, 3. Next one is 7.5. Okay. Now, if you really run out of space, instead of making it this big, you can make each division this small. Okay, so you can do that. But since I have a space, so I can just go and make a bigger division. Okay, so 7.5 is going to be, okay, it's going to be right over here, right? So that's 7.50. Okay, and just go and connect the 2 dots. Draw the arrow at the end, and that's it. Okay, okay, 17. Okay, you got 3x minus 2y equal to 7. Okay, so this one's kind of a bit messy. Okay, so just have to bear with it. Okay, so the x equal to 0, then y will equal to negative 7 over 2. Okay, negative 7 over 2. Right, again, you can check, right? Negative 2 times negative 7 over 2 give you positive 7. Okay, and again, don't freak out when you have a fraction. It's no big deal. Just work it through. So next one, you let y equal to 0. And you divide by 3, so y will equal to 7 over 3, okay? And so this is about 2 1/3, okay? So just be aware of that. Okay, so, and this is about negative 3.5. Okay, so that's your x-axis, y-axis. Okay, so first point is 0, negative 3.5. So I need one more over here. So it's going to be right over here, right? So that's negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So negative 3.5 is right over here. Now next one is 2 1/3. So here's your 1, 2, 3. So just make into so this is 1/3, 2/3 right over here. Okay, again, just approximate as close as you can. Okay, and you sketch that, and then that's your graph. Okay.